everybody. We're so excited to be here. We're so excited you're here with us today. As we know, you cannot be what you cannot see. And we're here today to see and learn from amazing leaders in our field. We are seeing more women entering STEM fields. It's 50,000 increase in degrees being awarded to women in the STEM field.
It's really wonderful to be here today and celebrating so many women this Manufacturing Month. And I just want to, first of all, applaud all of you for leading in your field and changing the face of this industry. I'd like to present a proclamation from Governor Pritzker in acknowledgement of women and manufacturing.
I like to think that my story is old and that other people will not have to transit this same path. But I also think that we have a responsibility to help reshape the future for girls. Think about the power of providing opportunities for what's more than 50% of the population, providing training, providing development, providing engagement, and the employers that figure that out first are the ones that are going to win the war on talent.
Every one of us here has a really unique story, and that's what I kind of wanted to share with you. You can see the breadth and diversity of what we're doing.
Collaboration and innovation is championed through diversity. And when I say diversity, don't just check a box. Build a relationship.
I am in control of deciding who's in my corner. As you're developing through your career and you're getting to know different sets of people, you need to have new people in your corner. So you need to be growing that board of directors.
If you surround yourself with the right people, if you have that mindset of I can move mountains if need be, then you can overcome most challenges that will come.
I wanted to come share some of my stories and encourage the next generation. If we can help girls and women to understand how to apply STEM and to learn how exciting the field is, they'll have so many more career options and they won't have to feel like they opt out because they're not good at it.